Assembly instructions for the Air-Port Fume Exhaust Hood. All Air-Ports are shipped with shrink wrap and strapped to a skid. Carefully cut off the plastic wrap and straps with a box cutter or knife. Before assembly, make sure you have all the necessary tools, including pin bars, 9/16" wrench and socket, and also an impact driver. First, remove and lay out the hood sheets. Remove the remaining packaging, including the shipping brackets. Carefully lay out the slide gates and other small pieces. Using a crane or forklift, remove the legs and top duct beam from the skid. You can discard the skid at this time. Refer to the drawing and measure the main duct for leg spacing. Using the provided bolts, attach the slide gates to the top duct. Do not tighten completely at this time. Anchor the legs at this time. The Air-Port must be attached to the concrete floor using anchor bolts. Using a forklift or crane, lift the top duct onto the legs. Bolt the top duct to the legs. You may need to use a pin bar for alignment. Tighten bolts with an impact driver. Carefully lift the roof supports and bolt them in place. Note that the solid supports go on the outermost position of the hood. Beginning at the center, carefully attach the roof panels. Continue to do the same with the remaining panels. You may need to use a pin bar for alignment. Once you have all the panels on, make sure everything is tightened. Attach any optional curtains or lights. Finally, attach your dust collector to the Air-Port. Adjust and tighten down the slide gates. If you have any questions, please call Imperial Systems at 1-800-918-3013.